our favorite Gokul. And Gokul, Gokul, this is his level on first speech. I think it will be considered the second speech probably, because he has already given his icebreaker speech. So I think this is the second speech, level and second speech. Here the speech title is named as My Second Love. It's a very confidential speech. So I think all the details it will be delivered by Gokul only. Here he has requested me to look into the grammar, content, style, speed, and how he is connecting to the audience, and also how he has to improve in the second speech. And this is over this feedback he has to give the second speech.
Thanks, Hrishikesh. I believe I am not the only one here with more than one love story. Let me see all the face reaction. So let me get more confidence that I can share these stories with this closed session. Love, a wonderful feel. It keeps our soul alive. It gives more meaning to our life. And I can say with conviction that it will help us maintain the equanimity in our mind even in tougher times. And I think nothing as adventurous as to impress someone, making them fall in love and keep our adrenaline flowing. But one of its most unique characteristics is we can't control it. We can't control whom we love, when it starts, and how long it goes. Having said that, I don't think we should have a control on it either. So welcome fellow Toastmasters to my level 1 speech on my second love. Though the emphasis today will be on the second love, I would like to begin with my first love story. There were a couple of infatuations other than that, but let's not take that into account. I met my first girl in 10th August 2008, which was 12 years ago. I still remember the date because it was her first day in college. Yes, she was my classmate, and I got to see her when she walked over to stage to give her introduction. I got to be friends with her in the first year and got to know her slowly and came to know the real beauty in her mind, in her soul, and by second year I had already fell in love. I proposed to her, which she categorically ignored, or she categorically told her no initially. But within 15 days, she came back saying she couldn't stop herself from thinking about it. From that day, our love got stronger and stronger. Fast forward in the story, we faced around 3 years of Cold War in family to get the permission even after our college days, and finally got married in March 2016 after following 8 years of love story. We were more of a friends than lovers, and so were the days. We were so jubilant and spent the most of our days. I even started believing with conviction that I can't love someone as much as Gauri, my wife. But nature and life always has some surprises for us. It was April 2018, 2 years ago, when I first met the second girl in my life. I still remember the first scene because somehow I liked her instantly. It was all normal and I didn't think that she would give such an impact on me later. Situations were such that she was more around me and I got to know about her more and more. She seemed to be so delicate, and and it was always tough to convince her. She even shed tears for simpler things in life. She was more of a family-oriented girl, as her life always revolved around around her parents and mostly within home. She was so innocent, and I had never seen her lie. She was also generous, and at times it was so easy for me to make her happy. All it needed was just to spend more time with her, and it was so easy to make her laugh. I moved closer and closer to her. It was then she also came closer to me and started caring more for me. And I felt that even more than with my wife. I started feeling that way. I couldn't stop it, and I didn't want to either. But situations were much different than I expected earlier. So it was a strange feel, and I thought, let me reveal this to my wife. So one fine day, I took my wife, and she was more of a friend to me than of a lover. So I told her everything of what was going on, and how I felt. She listened everything completely with patience. I felt little more comfortable, but I couldn't stop there. Her first birthday came. Birthday came after I first met my second girl in my life. So days had rolled so fast. I didn't know that it was already 1 year after I met her. I know she won't be seeing my WhatsApp status. So I finally decided, let me share this feel to everyone I know, and I decided to put something on my WhatsApp status directly, and I would like to share it here. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
This was my WhatsApp status about my second girl. Yes, it was my girl, the second girl in my life, bonding as stronger and special what I felt in my first love. She keeps my soul alive and gave much meaning to my life. She helps to maintain the equanimity in my mind. And that's what a pure love can do, as I explained earlier. So once again I repeat, life doesn't stop with first love. Life is so generous than we think, and so be you. Thanks for giving this opportunity to share the story of two girls in my life.
Because I feel very good about listening your love story fiction you have, and the time you spent 8 years and waiting, and then finally it was successful. So it was really good.
I believe you would have liked the speech. I will be posting more videos as I do more talks in the Toastmaster. So please consider subscribing it to stay as part of my Toastmaster journey. Following are the evaluation speeches which I got from my club members. Kindly post your feedbacks and suggestions so that I can improve on my public speaking journey too.